Question 361. How do you manage version control in Azure DevOps for collaborative software development? I utilize Git repositories in Azure DevOps to manage version control, track changes, and facilitate collaboration among team members. I follow branching strategies like Git flow to ensure code stability and enable parallel development. Question 362. Can you explain the concept of continuous integration and continuous deployment, CCD, in Azure DevOps? CCD is a software development practice that involves frequently integrating code changes into a shared repository, running automated tests, and deploying code to production automatically. In Azure DevOps, I configure pipelines to automate these processes for efficient and reliable software delivery. Question 363. Can you discuss your experience with containerization and Kubernetes in Azure DevOps? I have containerized applications using Docker and orchestrated them with Kubernetes in Azure DevOps. By leveraging containerization technologies, I can improve deployment flexibility, scalability, and resource utilization for cloud-native applications. Question 364. Can you explain the importance of infrastructure monitoring and alerting in Azure DevOps? Infrastructure monitoring and alerting in Azure DevOps are crucial for detecting performance issues, identifying bottlenecks, and ensuring system availability. By setting up monitoring tools like Azure Monitor and configuring alerts, I can proactively respond to incidents and maintain a reliable infrastructure. Question 365. Describe your experience with designing and implementing high-availability solutions in Azure DevOps. I have designed and implemented high-availability solutions in Azure DevOps using features like Azure Load Balancer, Azure Traffic Manager, and Azure Availability Zones. By distributing workloads across multiple regions and ensuring redundancy, I can enhance system reliability and minimize downtime. Question 366. How would you approach optimizing costs in Azure DevOps while maintaining resource efficiency? To optimize costs, I would right-size resources, leverage reserved instances, and implement cost management tools like Azure Cost Management plus Billing. I would also monitor resource utilization, identify cost-saving opportunities, and continuously optimize spending in Azure DevOps. Question 367. Can you discuss your experience with disaster recovery planning and implementation in Azure DevOps? I have developed disaster recovery plans, implemented backup strategies, and tested failover procedures in Azure DevOps to mitigate risks and ensure business continuity. By leveraging Azure Site Recovery or Azure Backup, I can recover data and applications in case of unexpected events. Question 368. Describe a challenging Azure DevOps project you worked on and how you overcame obstacles. In a complex Azure DevOps project, I faced challenges with integrating multiple services, optimizing pipelines, and meeting strict deadlines. By collaborating with team members, prioritizing tasks, and leveraging best practices, I successfully delivered the project on time with high quality. Question 369. How do you approach performance tuning and optimization in Azure DevOps applications? To optimize performance, I analyze application metrics, identify performance bottlenecks, and implement tuning strategies such as caching, indexing, and load balancing. By fine-tuning configurations, monitoring system health, and optimizing resource usage, I can improve application performance in Azure DevOps. Question 370. Can you discuss your experience with implementing security best practices in Azure DevOps pipelines? I have implemented security best practices in Azure DevOps pipelines by using secure coding standards, vulnerability scanning tools, and access controls. I also follow security compliance frameworks like CIS benchmarks to ensure secure software delivery and protect sensitive data. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.